COST stands for European Cooperation in Science and Technology. We are an intergovernmental organization currently with 39 countries from Europe and beyond. We support a pool of 45,000 researchers in Europe and beyond to build networks on their particular topics in order to get better insights and better results. For us at COST, it means that we have on our premises on an annual basis around 6,000 visitors. So we were looking at a list of offers that was arranged for by Business Space. We selected a short list and then we started our visits. And Business Space did, I think, a wonderful job in arranging all these visits within a very short period of time. And we were indeed a bit in a time squeeze. The office location of the Manhattan Center was clearly the best in our view. Not only because of the location itself with the good connections to airport and public transport, but at the same time it was an ideal location offering the working space for our own team, as well as the possibility to create meeting spaces for our annual 6,000 visitors. So there we were, but the price tag was not really within our budget, and I think that Business Space really did an excellent job in negotiating a very good price and a very good deal. It's not only the price but also the conditions, which were very important, to make it fit. And we also then with that result felt comfortable to go to our board and ask for a final decision. And as you can imagine, these people do not have real estate as daily business. They are often occupied with science policy. So I think that we also had a very good support by Business Space to make the case in front of our board, who immediately saw the advantages and also the fact that it fitted within the financial frame that we have to work within. So that was really, in the end, a very good result in a very short period of time. So looking back at the entire process, based on our own experience, I can truly recommend to engage an independent expert who's on your side of the table. We found ourselves in a situation that we had to negotiate a contract without having any knowledge about this. The real estate market simply is very complex and we are not experts in the field. So the more it is important that you have someone on the side who has the expertise and also the capacity to negotiate and understand actually the rules of the game on the local market of Brussels. I think that is very key. So in the end, we were very happy with the result. We also were very happy with the fact that our board supported the end result of the process. So we ended up in the Manhattan Center as the preferred location within the budget that we have available. So I can only second to engage with an independent expert.